Hey, have you ever wondered what miraculous changes could happen if you tweaked your diet for just one day? I'm here today to talk about something that could literally change your life, or more accurately, the life of your heart. Why is this important, you ask? Because heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and what we eat plays a massive role in our heart health. So, stick around as we dive into the "Eat these 7 foods tomorrow, your heart will heal immediately." Let's start with a surprising fact. Did you know that certain foods have the power to boost your heart health almost instantly? Yes, I'm talking about foods that are packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, fibers, and various nutrients that your heart absolutely loves. The first power food on our list is salmon. This fish is a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, which are proven to decrease the risk of arrhythmias and reduce blood pressure. Imagine enjoying a delicious salmon dinner tomorrow and knowing you're doing your heart a huge favor. Next up, we have oats. Now, oats may sound humble, but they are a superhero when it comes to lowering bad cholesterol levels. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal sprinkled with some fruits, and you're setting up your heart for success. Berries are our third heart healer. Whether it's strawberries, blueberries, or blackberries, these fruits are filled with heart-healthy phytonutrients and soluble fiber. Why not blend a berry smoothie for a heart-healthy treat? Let's not forget about avocados. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados can help reduce LDL, bad cholesterol levels while ramping up HDL, the good cholesterol. Avocado toast, anyone? Our fifth heart hero is almonds. Snacking on a handful of almonds can boost your heart health by providing a dose of vitamin E, which helps lower bad cholesterol. And who doesn't love a crunchy snack that's also good for the heart? On to walnuts, another nut that's incredibly beneficial for your heart. They have high amounts of omega-3 fatty acids, just like salmon. Mixing walnuts into a salad or just eating them as they are can be a game changer for your heart. Lastly, we have spinach. This leafy green is loaded with potassium, folate, and fiber, making it a triple threat against heart problems. Adding spinach to your meals is both easy and beneficial. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a like, share it with your friends and family to spread the heart health love. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below with your thoughts or any heart-healthy tips you might have. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet, even for a day, can start you on a path towards a healthier heart. It's about taking small steps towards a greater goal. Take care of your heart, because it's the only one you've got. Here's to a healthier, happier heart. See you in the next video.